Going to go on the record on NIMAC number 76270, State of Texas versus Christopher Gill. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Defense.
Guillermo Lara from Mr. Gill, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. Gill? All right. The defendant is charged with driving while intoxicated, third or more. And the court has received an updated letter from pretrial services. Have both parties had a chance to review the document?
Yes, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So I have a few questions as it relates to this updated letter for your client. Any objections to the court asking him questions?
No, Judge.
All right, Mr. Gill, can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? You need to speak up. All right, you can lower your hand. All right. This letter states that you're not driving. Is that correct? All right, you're whispering.
Yes. I'm sorry.
That's okay. Are there any other vehicles at your home?
Just my mother, but it's under her name and everything, so.
All right. Here's the thing. That vehicle is going to have ignition interlock on it. If you have a vehicle at your home, the vehicle must have ignition interlock, because at the end of the day, your mom could let you drive. Sometimes when children ask for things, mothers are accommodating. So that vehicle has to have ignition interlock on it. Now, if that vehicle is not parked at your home, then it's not parked at your home and ignition interlock will not be needed. But as long as there's a vehicle in your driveway or at your home, needs a.
All right, pause right here. This isn't just a routine DWI case. This is third or more, which legally puts the defendant in a much more serious category. That means stricter bond conditions, less flexibility, and way more scrutiny from the judge.
Ignition interlock. State any objection to that?
No, Your Honor. Going towards the removal of, I guess, removing the bond condition of ignition interlock for his vehicle, I would recommend Graham.
And Judge, we would ask for the Smart Start Mobile. At this point, he hasn't shown any reason why he would need a scram at this point. If there are any violations whatsoever on the Smart Start Mobile, then we would understand why the court would want that issue. But at this point, we're asking for him to have the Smart Start Mobile, Judge.
Why?
Basically, he works. I mean, he's looking for a job. He doesn't work right now. He is looking for employment right now, and I think that's going to be more of a restriction for him, as opposed to, again, being able to have more flexibility. And in terms of also monetary, I believe this scram is approximately what, $200 or $300 a month, and that's also going to limit him with respect to what he can do in terms of finances.
All right, state.
Again, Judge, as the state would just recommend the Scram device just because it's one that goes with them everywhere. That would ensure just with community safety, but ultimately, of course, we'll defer to the court.
All right. So here's the thing. What I'm going to order is he has to have ignition interlock on his mother's vehicle. And then I am going to order Scram. And I'll ask that the fees be waived. I can tell you, they're going to tell me it's a third-party contract. They're not going to waive fees.
Judge, if I may, in terms of the ignition interlock, would it be necessary to have the ignition interlock on the mother's vehicle if he already has the scram then? It wouldn't be.
Yes.
I mean, it would.
The reason why is because if he has Scram, that doesn't stop him from driving. That just tells us, hey, he drank.
Understood, Judge. I just feel there's at least restrictive means if he has ignition interlock on the mother's vehicle and Smart Start Mobile, and just my position from financing as well.
All right, this is what the court is going to order. I'm going to order ignition interlock on all vehicles at the home. I'm going to order 120 sober support meetings in 120 days. And I'll order weekly testing for alcohol for 120 days.
Did you catch that the judge isn't worried about ownership? She's worried about access legally. If there's a car at the house, the court assumes temptation exists. This is classic preventative logic in DWI cases.
Is there anything else?
Yes, Judge. Would the court revisit the issue of the scram if he's successful on the 120 days?
Well, I didn't order Scram.
Sorry?
I'm ordering ignition interlock.
Okay, not scram.
No, not
okay,
scram.
Understood.
I'm ordering ignition interlock to be on that vehicle. And you have 2 weeks to obtain the ignition interlock on the vehicle. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to do that financially?
I could work something out for sure.
All right. So we're going to do weekly testing for alcohol for 120 days. The ignition interlock needs to be on all vehicles at your location. And that needs to be done within 2 weeks. And I'm giving you 2 weeks because of the financial issue, the fact that you're unemployed. And I'm hoping that the weekly testing for alcohol will take care of any concerns. And so there's to be no driving for the 2 weeks, of course. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you need to have ignition interlock, but no later than June 17th. All right. Any questions about anything that I'm ordering?
No, ma'am.
All right. And if something were to happen to your mom's vehicle and it's no longer there, then you have to come back and I'll put you on a different monitoring device. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you.
You Judge.
You're welcome. Good morning. You're on this side, counsel,
See,
for security reasons.
I used to be over there.
All right. So where are we on the immigration status?
We have it figured out, Judge. We have an offer. Mr. Garaham was very kind and generous. My client is going to take it, but we're asking for one more reset because it's a custody. She'll be going into custody after pleading, so she needs to make arrangements for child care.
All right. So y'all can do the plea then today. And then I will see about giving you all a reset.
Are we able to do paperwork with the computer systems? I have no idea.
Well, you know what? We've been asked to find out if that's possible. I've received reports that it's not possible, but we shall see.
Okay, so reset for sentencing then?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Good.
Thank you. This is going to be a plea if they can, if the paperwork is available. Francisco Sotelo? Yes.
Your Honor, we've conferred this morning on the
All right. Oh,
case.
just a second. Your client's coming down.
Oh, yeah.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How are you doing this morning?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Okay. So where are we?
We're waiting CPS records. They were requested back in April, so I do need to check on the status because 2 months is usually about how long they take. So we're gonna double check on that and then we'll be good to go.
This line right here, low-key savage. The judge is basically saying moms help their kids' courts plan for that. This is why ignition interlock rules can extend to vehicles the defendant doesn't even own.
We have made an initial offer, but it could change subject to what the CPS records show.
All right.
We have conferred, Your Honor. My client has some Padilla issues going on. We're kind of trying to fine tune the advice he's going to get on that, but we need a little bit more time to resolve these cases.
All right. And does he need an immigration attorney?
Yeah, the MAC is handling it. There is a Padilla consultation going on. His family, we're talking to him, his family might hire immigration counsel separately, but as far as the Padilla issues and advice for regarding this case, that is in the works.
All right. And is there a pending CPS case involving him or no?
Yes.
All right. So, yeah, you're right. The record should have been.
Yeah. So we're gonna double check with that because I know Victoria requested them like first or second week of April.
All right. So we're going to recall this. Ms. Ferguson, can you put this on June 24th?
Judge, I'm going to be out of town that day.
Oh, where are you going to be?
It's my daughter's birthday. We're
Oh.
coming back from Dallas.
Oh,
From the American,
I'm sorry, what?
from the American Girl.
Oh, that is, okay. That is so awesome.
Yes.
Of course, you know, my favorite was Addie.
I'm learning about it, Judge. We're having brunch.
I think I
Oh.
have some bandwidth.
Yeah. You know, they actually have the restaurant and all of that, and they have where your child can actually dress up.
I've heard about that.
Yes. So you may have to don a period piece as well.
I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm ready. Yes.
All
But
right.
if I could get a little bit more time, Judge, obviously.
All right. You want to put it on July 15th?
Can I do it later in that week, Judge?
July 8th?
I have a monitoring CPS trial that's,
July 11th? And let's see where you are on your trial. Because sometimes people have trials. And then,
gonna be out of town. So but my birthday is on the 14th.
all right, July 1st.
Judge, I'll take that. I'll make it work. Yes,
All right. And it's your birthday too?
on the 14th it is.
Oh, wow.
I'm technically gonna be at a CLE for PCDLA.
Yeah, okay. Awesome. All right, Norma on Sotelo, July 1st. Yeah, we already have a setting for that. That's what they tell. I'm presiding, but it's going to be a light docket because we are going to celebrate the 4th.
Okay, no, Judge, yeah.
Yeah,
Thank
it
you.
will be a light docket.
We'll be here on the first.
All right, thank you.
Okay, Your Honor, you have a good day.
All right, you too.
Okay.
All right, who's here on Carlos Gallardo? All right, where's your client?
He's probably in custody.
All right.
But it's a second degree case and it was enhanced when it was indicted
Mhm.
to a first.
Okay.
I'm on the first degree list.
All right.
So that's gonna be,
Okay. All right. You can be excused. We'll get an attorney for that.
okay, thank you, Judge.
Dennis Johnson.
Right here, Bill.
All right. Where's Mr. Johnson? Come forward.
John.
Hey. Where are the freckles though?
Oh, you lost him, Judge. Too much sun.
You know, he played hard.
He played hard.
A lot of people don't understand what we're talking about, but we know.
I don't like balls.
Yeah.
That's good one. Dennis Johnson, best. Yeah.
Oh, okay. He knows.
Now this is where defense strategy kicks in. They're arguing least restrictive means a key legal concept translation. Judge, don't overdo it. If a lighter condition still protects the public smart argument, but watch what happens.
Daniel, who is Dennis Johnson? I'll give you a hint. Freckles. Oh, okay. That's okay. Boston Celtics.
Are you talking to me?
Yeah. All right. Robert De Niro. Okay. So, are you retained on this case?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So,
How about?
all right. Thank you. All right. Have you received all the discovery?
Not sure, Judge. My client was just given a copy of the indictment today.
Okay.
So it's actually first setting, and I would have to check once it's uploaded, look through it. Supposed to state, and they said that if they feel they have everything up here, I can get the opportunity to review briefly, and then we'll see.
All right. And how old are you, sir?
I'm 29 now.
All right. So we're going to come back on June 24th and state on June 24th, you'll need to have an acknowledgement of discovery and an offer tendered to defense.
Yes, sir. Well, there were two different settings.
No,
No? They've been merged.
it's merged. You know, as we see the way the system works, we see how it goes. But you'll have a plea deadline date. It will be fine. Thanks for dressing appropriately for court.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah.
All right, so we'll come back on
Try
June.
to upstage you, Judge. Try to upstage you.
Oh, he has upstaged a lot of people. But you know what? Your colors blend and go well. They coordinate very well together.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Like they say, you're not the smart coordinate. Boomerang.
Yes.
Watch them go.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, who's here on Herbert Dardo Morales Obanda? Good morning. Hello. All right. So are there any citizenship issues?
Yes, Joe.
Okay. And counsel, is your office going to handle the immigration issues? Or is he appointed?
Yeah, no, we're hiring, we have an in-house counsel,
Okay,
so we speak to him about it. There was consequence,
okay.
but the immigration attorney, he's not hired for the federal property.
All right, so are you all gonna address the immigration issues?
Yes, within the criminal case.
Ah, yes, okay. I like that you're putting it there. All right, this is family violence.
Yes, we talked to Isaac already, yeah, this is the first.
Important distinction here. Scram monitors alcohol not driving. Ignition interlock stops the car from starting. Two different risks, two different tools. That's why the judge isn't buying the defense's argument.
Setting,
All right,
we are some time of discovery. We are on that process. Probably by the next item, the ADA will also give us an offer.
all right. So are there medical records or anything of that
Yeah.
nature in this?
Yes.
I have an agreed PO for CPS records. I'm happy to give it to the
Yes.
judge. And we have those records.
And counsel, if you'll sign.
Yes, I will. I want to.
All right, thank you.
Yes, absolutely, Judge. Thank you very much.
Sure. All right, and so the medical record states you're saying you have those?
We have not spoken about medical records.
All right,
I can check the hold system to see if we have them, but we definitely talked about these, so I made sure to draft this up in the interim.
All right. So Norma, on this case, can you recall it for discovery for July 8th?
Just could it be the week after?
What's going on?
My sister is coming from Puerto Rico to pick up my mom.
Oh, okay. All
So
right.
actually, it could be on the week of the 22, Judge, any day would be perfect.
All right. The week of the 15th?
Of the 22nd, that would be perfect. Just leave it that weekend. You know how it is.
Okay.
Take it
All
to
right.
the airport and something like that.
Okay. Norma, put this on July 22nd.
Appreciate it.
All right. And then state an offer will be due at that time as well.
Okay, Judge, thank you very much.
All right. Thanks.
Yes, you're very welcome. Yes, good to see you.
All right.
Have a good day, Judge.
Sure. Do you have any questions, sir?
No, everything's fine.
All right. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Good
Have
seeing
a
you.
wonderful day, Judge.
All right. You too. All right. John Casanova Pius. All right. So state,
Yes, Judge.
what date in July for you all?
We agreed on August 13th, but if the court wants to set something in July, I mean, we can take another look at it and just reapproach.
All right. What's happening in July that you all can't
We
enjoy?
have impact on the first, we
Mhm.
have docket on the second, and then we have, is
Yeah.
Mary Diaz? No.
Yeah.
Yes, July 16th, yeah.
Oh, Mary Diaz.
And then we have
Okay.
Carl the week after that.
All right. That's a murder case. Okay. All right. I'm recalling you all for August 12th. And then, we'll hear if there is some motion or something that needs to be heard, that'll be heard on that date, but you'll be going to trial on August 13th.
Yes, Chairman, thank you. Thank you, Judge.
All right. Once I give you the reset form, you're excused. State,
Yes, Judge.
on this case,
Yes.
are there any outstanding discovery issues?
Not to my knowledge, I think we're in good shape, Judge, on discovery, yeah.
All right. And have all issues been taken care of concerning citizenship?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And state the last date of the discovery acknowledgement that I have in the file is January
We can get an updated-
2023.
We can give an updated one, Judge.
All right, if you all do an updated discovery acknowledgement,
It'll be one of those old school forms, so
that's okay.
that's all I know how to get right now.
All right, once you sign this, you're excused, and then counsel, if you remain to sign the new acknowledgement of discovery.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Have a great day.
And this is the final balancing act. The judge tightens conditions but gives extra time because of unemployment. That's judicial discretion in action, accountability without setting someone up to fail. What do you think, fair or too strict?